Going to the second floor of the foyer area of PATRIA, the Cebu development. Look at this. It's so pretty. Look at that. So naagapon ang chandelier. I don't know if this is kanang murag na pati chandelier ang original structure, but this is very fitting considering how old this structure is. And take a look at this. Puno na siya o kananan, ready to open soon. We got food con, we got eclair, we got gelato over here, we got burger jade, anahaw, and everyday coffee and tea. Again, dyan kay Manuro niya dari. Look at that. So from here, from the second level, you can see the courtyard kunya. Narito ang fountain na ay kanaanan gyapon dira. Narito yung chikaan, narito yung rib shack, na Bose Coffee. Daghan na kina siya locators actually. I believe mo na yung hotel, right?
Yes, Mercure.
Mo na yung Mercure Hotel. Taas-taas po niya siya na hotel. And perfect yung location right in the heart of downtown Cebu City. Manatay nice na hotel here. I believe murag office building na siya. And then kani more lifestyle locators. So nadara karon gi-blessing ang image of Mama Mary para murag mo na siya centerpiece siguro. Right? Siya centerpiece aning courtyard. Okay? So I just found out, guys, dili din siya individual stores. Kaniyang mga brands ato nakita. Mura siya right within a food hall, murag food court siya. Daghang locators but daghang brands within one space. So dito siya. Mura siya communal nga area ba? Dako ba siya nga location? Di ba na siya makaroon na sure? But it's quite big. And you enter from here and then you got multiple tenants inside. So nice. So over here we got religious supplies. I'm not sure unsay mag-locate paani to mga kuan. But here you can see the Ordaneta Street na. Look at that. Sundot kayo, very vintage ang iyang feel. So very nice. Even the staircase.
It's already like
And from here you can see, of course, the Metropolitan Cathedral of Cebu. So from the main entrance, okay, ang mafugat nimo is the courtyard. Look at that. Nadinha ang newly blessed lang image of Mama Mary. Kini siya nga fountain right in the middle of the courtyard. Itukod pa lang siya, but the courtyard ang nag-surround niya ang hotel tower, ang mall, o ang office building. Here makita na to na may Bose Coffee, may escalator over there, may Metro Supermarket over here, na may rib shack, may chikaan. I think this is murag island souvenir ning guro na ang forma. Napa dito a little team, dighan nag-option rin. Dito makita ang katong murag mini food court. So dito na kayo diri, guys. Downtown Cebu City, safe, clean, and very modern facility. So visit me here soon. It's very nice.